I would say the prescription when you're doing the drill is not just to do the 2 positions, but because you're not yet comfortable doing all 4 in a row, what you do at first, you get into the position, right? Okay, wait, am I in? I'm in. Oh, wait, this one's not far enough back. Oh, wait, that one's not. Oh, I'm not in split time. Okay, now I'm in split time. I'm in position. Let me move. Okay, oh, wait, that didn't land right. Wait, let me fix it. Let me get my timing right. Let me make sure my alignment is good. Okay, and then move. And then fix it, adjust, 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 and move. So if you're droopy, you can bring it up. If your hand is bent in, you can bring it out. If your timing is in same time rather than split time, you can fix it and then move to the next position. So the purpose of the drill is to give you the time to focus on adjusting before moving to the next position. Because even if you didn't land correctly in the position you're starting from, at least you're starting from the correct position to get to the next one. One is you're kind of doing it like this. Versus this, where the arms are fully extended. So your elbows are bent, so the hands are close to you. And then the other thing when you're doing it that you really want to look for is the placement being as precise as you can get it. So this isn't this, isn't this. So it's not just the full extension of the arm, it's also the height of the arm on the horizontal positioning and ensuring that you're getting it at 9 and 3. If you wanted to integrate it that way, then I would do the same thing. So I would put the hands up, then I would adjust the feet, make sure everything's right, my position's good, because like this one was a little droopy, I bring it up, oh, I'm not in the right time, let me switch it, okay. Now I'm gonna move, and here's what I do. As I move the top hand, I'm gonna step with that hand, and then adjust myself on the dance floor so that I have enough space, adjust my poi, and then I'm going to take my front foot, front hand, which is the top hand, and step back. Then walk forward, adjust myself, and then take my front foot and step back. Adjust myself, front foot, and step back. Adjust myself, front foot, and step back, and so on.